The Genoa Port Authority is an implementing body of the Italian Ministry of the Transport and the Infrastructure. We will support the development of the engineering study that are going to be carried out in the framework of the GAINN initiatives for the development of LNG infrastructure. At the Port of Genoa, of course, and to allow us to supply ships and vehicles with LNG. For the last 10 years, together with the European Seaport Organization, the main goal of Port of Genoa is to reduce SOx, NOx, PM10 and CO2 emissions. Taking into account that our port has a considerable impact on the city, this goal is very challenging. For this reason, we decided to consider in depth the use of alternative fuel. Since the beginning, LNG has been identified as a good alternative, and we set up a roadmap for development for this fuel with a particular reference with the TEN-T core port network. All this has been carried out with the national framework and the cooperation with our Ministry of Transport. We are convinced that by participating in the GAINN initiative, we will find the right support to achieve our goals. Besides the environment aspect, the Port of Genoa also has to align and provide in a short period of time bunkering plans of ship and road vehicles. The mentioned scenarios is now being implemented in the new port master plan, preceding different solutions that will be identified and improved. The Port of Genoa is the first national port for bunkering services in terms of volume, and one of the most important port gateway in Italy and in the Mediterranean area. The Port Authority also, through the GAINN initiative, is implementing the roadmap of the environmental improvement, started around 10 years ago, as I said before, and integrated into the environmental energetic plan and the port safety plan. For the Port of Genoa is a great opportunity, of course, to participate in this consortium, because it gives us the chance to share knowledge with other partners and then to learn from the result achieved by other pilots and other studies carried out in the GAINN action.